So this is the GOATA hinge. From there, tailbone barely touching the wall, or lightly touching the wall. We've got the feet at 1 fist distance. Second toe is still pointed forward with that alignment. We are going to go ahead and again, keeping that tailbone back, crown of the head forward. We're going to go ahead and start from this up position. The knees are bowed in or cornering in here. And now keeping that ankle either light on the ankle or elevated with the ankle, especially that inside ankle bone. We're gonna go ahead, hinge, go as far as you can, and then the arms are gonna come down. We wanna make sure that tailbone stays back against the wall. Hinge as much as you can. Focus on that internal rotation from the hip. Head stays up, crown of the head up.